in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
Oh, good morning. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Today is the day that Brutus is gonna get a wash. Brutus is gonna get a good cleaning. It is a beautiful fall day and we got some outside chores to do, so come along and let's get to it. Well, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta get out the car stuff. What a beautiful day. This could need a good organizing, so maybe we'll do that too while we're at it. Just pull things out, organize it, put it back in. All right, it's that time of year where we will take everything out of the RV in the storage compartment and put it all back. And it's finally a time where my wife is gonna help me, because it's been me doing the storage area the whole time and it's gotten really bad.
It hasn't worked. We are going to make it functional.
We're gonna make it functional.
So I'm gonna use my organizing skills and put those at hand.
And then
we should have got it before.
Daughter is cheering us on from the sidelines, but we
so
pulled.
Show them like what we pulled out. That's our trash bag.
That's trash so far.
All this we pulled out. Benches, things. We realized we could break these down. All these bins.
6 months storage. We're not going to use that for a little while.
It's
so
one wheel, and then everything in here. We got to make it more functional so that we are being able to access what we have and use up the things that we already have extra on hand, which will then create more room later on. So making it functional. So
let's get at it. Let's do it. Well, we got this side done. Put all of our RV electrical. It has our dog bones, adapters. It also has our electrical bike chargers, batteries for the bikes and e-bikes. And then over here has like obviously the water hoses, things like that, and then the sewer attachments. So everything, I just pull all this stuff out when I need to work on hooking the trailer up and putting it back together with everything. So this side's done. Our power cord, power reel was there, and now we got to work on getting the other side done. So it's starting to take shape, putting things in right now that we don't really reach for that often.
Yeah, and then stuff we need to get to more often in the front areas, but we still have that. And then obviously like these rugs, chairs that are up.
All right, wow, we got a lot more space now so we can fill it. Just kidding. But we took everything out, put it all back together.
So when we get somewhere to set up, this mat goes out, these chairs come out, so you have more of an empty, you have room to be able to like just open up this bin, get to the tools. So the stuff that's in the middle there is more, well, like the kayak and stuff is more seasonal, so we don't get that out too often. All we have to do is move these two bins. So this stuff will be cleared out when we are, what would you call it, living in an area?
Every time we move. Set up and take
We're moving in the morning, so that's why we are getting things packed up, make it easier in the morning. We're gonna blow off these rugs and then we roll these. We're gonna blow off these rugs. These get folded up and they are put into another storage area over here.
Some supplies to wash the car. We're using the Chemical Guys Supreme Wash and Wax with a Platinum Series foam cannon, and I like to use this for the trailer, the high areas. The spray and forget, just kind of wash it down. And then we have our little brush here, right here, that just goes on the back of a telescoping pole. It's great for a dually truck. Right here goes in here, because then I can get the top and everywhere without having to climb onto it. My daughter's over here filming tiki-talkies.
Shut up.
Stupid. If you guys have seen our Vermont video, you'll know it's like a running joke right now. It's stupid. Post in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. You realize that it is on this side of the trailer. That's all right. You need a good organization every couple months. Just pull everything out, put it all back together. But it's on this side of the trailer. So this is pretty much it for a truck wash. This is pretty much it how I wash the truck at a campsite. Get my black hose, and I love this 0G hose. It takes up a lot less space but a lot more room. Connect it here. Here are the only tools that I need: crud clutter, hose, and a chamois with just a squeegee and a brush on the side. That's it. It makes it really simple, really easy. Just spray it down. In fact, I'm probably going to spray it down first. Just spray it and rinse it. That's what I'm going to do. So it's really dirty, really dirty. This guy, Brutus, needed a washing a long time ago. So I did, however, a couple days ago. Not a couple days ago. Man, when you're in an RV world, a couple days is like, he said a couple days was like a couple stops ago. you kind of lose reference of time and all that. But a little while ago, somebody says, how do you keep your black truck so clean on the road all the time? And I'm like, I don't. So, all right, well, let's get started. All right, let's see how well it does up here. I'll show you guys a before and after of over here. It is pretty bad. See how bad that is? I don't know if it's catching up on the camera, but that's pretty bad. You got just dust and crud. See about this. Do a quick once over of this side. Give you guys a good dirty shot. This dirty beast. You know, I kept it clean. We're gonna blame this on my daughter. So she's been driving the truck a lot lately. And when I was driving it, I kept it really clean. I come back one day and like, what did you do? She was inside the trailer. I'm like, what did you do to the truck? She's like, what? He comes running out. I'm like, you got it dirty. Yeah, that was her. That was, so maybe I should get her out here saying, nope, your time, I gotta teach you. Taught you how to drive the truck, now I get to teach you how to clean it. But I'm enjoying watching her enjoy it and driving the truck. And she's been doing a really good job lately and I'm really super impressed with how calm she is. We're just gonna let that sit for a second. I'll probably get my scrub brush, scrub it out a little bit before I rinse it off. I ruined the campground trash runs because I let her drive, which what I would consider level 2, which is I let her drive outside the campground. So she no longer wants to do the trash runs anymore, which was kind of fun because I'd be like, hey, you want to drive the truck? Take the trash to the dumpster. Okay, Dad, I'm gonna do that. That's what we called kind of level 1, and she did that for a good little while, and really had a lot of fun with that. Then the next thing, I'm like, hey, I want to drive to Walmart, right? Only in like areas where Walmart was just not very far, kind of down the street. And it's kind of like our level 2. Hey, I want to drive to Walmart. Mom needs pickup order. Let's go to Walmart. Oh, we got a little ding there. That's okay. It's oh, actually, no, it's a clear coat. It's just dirty. It's kind of coming off though. It's not a ding, it's a plastic coat right there. But level 2 was kind of like getting her to go to Walmart and doing the grocery runs. So, masking fun with chores. Parents never do that. So, I might have a little bit of a problem here with the sun baking. Probably need to do that in the shade. We'll just hurry and get this side done. Kind of scrub it out a little bit. Anyway, so level 2 for Taylor was going to the grocery store, doing pickup orders at Walmart when it was, not too busy. And it was after I had gone there already and kind of scoped it out. And just driving out of the campground and onto the back roads, and she's like, at first she's like, no, I don't want to do that. But she enjoys the challenge. But, and I'm not saying that I don't want to teach her, I just don't know how to kind of level her up there, because every time we move, we're driving 3 hours on our move, and you don't really know what you're going to get. Hooey, that's still dirty over here. Yeah, the sunny side doesn't look very good. I think I'll do a quick rinse here. Oh, okay, so quick tip, it's been a minute. So I'm on rinse mode. So that's exactly what I did. I just rinsed it with water. Then there's clean. We're gonna do that. So did a quick rinse first. Now we'll clean it, turn it to the clean, which will apply the suds. Oh, that looks a lot better. Getting those suds on the truck. And we'll do the sunny side first, and then we'll jump over to the other side. In the front of the truck's in the shade, so that's good. We'll do that. Let's do it one side at a time, because this side dries so quick here in the sun. Get this back And you can see how dirty that truck was, man. Holy cow, it was dirty. Let it sit for a second. Scrub this. I'm gonna scrub this back. This gets really bad. It just doesn't really ever get scrubbed. The suds. Oh yeah, that's all dirt coming out of there. Get this back window. It's gonna be a gorgeous day today. What a beautiful day. Last few fall days that we get. Good weather. All right, we're drying up here. Might blast that again with some more suds on this side and then quickly rinse it off. Kick it over to rinse. Pennsylvania, right outside of what's the major town here?
Stroudsburg.
Stroudsburg, right outside of Stroudsburg. Timothy Lake, 1,000 Trails. All right, there's a first time for everything, and this is the first time Taylor's taken Brutus all by herself. And I told her she better not wreck the truck because we got to move tomorrow. Tomorrow's moving day, and I need the truck to move. So, will she or won't she come back with Brutus unscathed and clean? Got to stay clean. Oh, there's a little dirt mark right here. We just gave Brutus a bath yesterday. It better stay clean. He better be clean when we get back.
Okay.
And in one piece.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, do you guys notice anything different? I'm all by myself. This is the first time that my parents actually are letting me go out by myself into town. Got to go to Home Depot and then go to like a DI run. But I gotta do it by myself. I'm so excited. I get to go into town and drive this big bad boy, Brutus. If y'all are wondering why my parents are letting me drive, is because it's a long bed dually. Brutus is a beefy truck. And I get to drive, woohoo! I'm so excited!
We got the pizza, and now we're gonna go to a dog park. All right, the pizza.
Here.
Half pepperoni, half cheese, because she's our cheese lover.
You gotta get cheese when you're, or pep. You have a New York pizza.
Yeah, New York pizza.
Am I right, New Yorkers?
You gotta have a New York accent, though. Okay, do your best New York accent.
I don't even know they had an accent. She hasn't been to the city.
She hasn't been there. All right, here's your best New York accent. We're all killing these knots. We're starving. Patience takes a bite and says, "Yep." So you get a yap of approval.
Reminds me of when I was in New York City. New York City.
That's chaps my hide.
Is he back? Your child one?
So this is new to me. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but we took Pippi to the dog park and we were faced with this. Apparently, you have to register to get access to the dog park. And so I went on and registered, thinking it was a park, and they want 20 bucks to use the dog park. Yeah. So I'm not paying for a dog park when I got one at the campground. I don't know. I just, like, everything is charging now. That's so crazy. That is just too crazy. Okay, good boy. So we didn't make it to the dog park, but we found this fenced baseball field. So that's free to use. We win this round, I guess, Pip. We get to play ball. He was so sad when we thought he couldn't play ball. Okay, ready? Let go. Let go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. He loves his ball.
Halfway in you.
I don't care. Get out.
Wait.
Taylor's first tick. She found a tick on her.
Gross. No, you found it.
I found it on her.
Get out.
Here, come here.
Turn the light on so you can see
Burn
it.
my skin.
I'm not. I don't know if this is gonna work, so I might have to get the tweezers.
You got a tick on you for making your fishing pole, your homemade fishing pole.
Come here. You gotta be careful going.
Having the head stay into you, they don't.
Freaking. I want to get it
I
stuck
don't
in
want
there.
it inside me. I don't know how it got there. It's wearing a coat.
I don't want to break it off.
What? How hard is
Ew.
it supposed to be?
Well, it's halfway in you. It eats through you. That's the grossest thing I've ever done.
Please get it out.
It's like moving its legs
Please
and
get it out.
I'm trying.
We're going to the doctor's.
See, its little teeth are right there. Okay, do what you need to do. Pull up. Oh, I got it.
Got it finally.
I don't want to see it.
Wait, hold still, hold still.
Oh, got it.
I just did some hot dogs, having a fire.
Do we have more wood?
It's a fun night here at Timothy Lake.
That wraps up another day of real life on the road. From keeping our home on wheels clean and organized while soaking in the beauty that this world gives us. It's not always glamorous, but it's these simple moments of working together and sharing laughs that make this journey so special. Thanks for coming along with us. Until next time, keep chasing the adventure and making the most of the road ahead.